Welcome to CCC Library's video tutorial on how to make alphabet cards for your early childhood education class assignment. At this point in your assignment, you should already have the images for your cards chosen and saved on your computer. Today, to make alphabet cards, we're going to start from a blank document in Microsoft Word. The first step is going to be to change the page size to 8 by 5, which is the size of the index cards you're using for your alphabet cards. Under Page Layout, come down here to Size, and we'll have to make our own size. So if we go down to More Paper Sizes, here we're able to change these numbers to whatever we want to make it the custom size that we need. So our width will be 5, our height will be 8, and when we click OK, we'll see that size change reflected on our page. So the next step is we're going to start add content and change the formatting for our cards. So I'm going to go to the Home tab here, and under these alignment options, I'm going to choose this one that will center all the text and images that I put on this page. So I'm just going to start adding the letters. I'm going to put a capital A, I'm going to hit Enter, and I'll hit Enter again, and that'll give us space right here to put our pictures, and a lowercase a. So then I'll put my cursor between these two A's, and like I said, this is the space for the picture. Go to Insert, go to Picture, and we'll be able to choose the picture from the file. Mine are saved on the desktop. If yours are saved in your Documents or Pictures, you'll choose them there. Click on the picture you want, and insert. So now we have the content on our page. We still need to change the sizes, make it look nice on the page. So first thing I'm going to do now, highlight the A and make it bigger. Do that by changing this number here. I'm going to make it 100, but you can change it to whichever size works for your card, for your images, whatever fits nicely on your page. Both the same size, and then it's going to involve a little fiddling to make it look good. So there's a lot of space up here in the margin. You can get rid of a little of that using this guide here on the side. I'm just going to bump up the margin a little bit, and that makes it fit a little better. You can change the size of the picture using these little dots in the corners of the picture. You can stretch it, you can shrink it if you need to. So now we have what we want. We have the A's, we have the picture, all fitting on one page, nice and pretty. So now I'm going to recommend that we save this. So just go to File, Save As. I'm going to write in alphabet. Cards, and I'm going to save it right here in my documents. So now, this is I'm going to show you kind of a trick here, because once we have the layout and the formatting all set up, we're going to make it so that all we need to change is the content. So I'm going to highlight everything that we have here on the page. We're still in the Home ribbon, so I'm going to copy. Go back to our A and hit Enter, and that will give us a new page to work from. And this is also a good time to point out Microsoft Word doesn't like lowercase letters just hanging around, so we're going to have to change this back to lowercase. It decided it needed to change it for us. So now we have a complete second blank page, and now what we're going to do, come back here to the Home tab and hit Paste. What that did, we have a complete duplicate copy of our first card. And why did we do that? Because now all we need to do is change the letters in the picture. So I'm going to highlight the A, change it to capital B, highlight the lowercase a, change it to lowercase b, click on the picture. This is kind of the real trick here. Under Picture Tools, there's an option for change picture, which I'll click on. That'll bring me back to my list of images. I'll choose the one I have for B, insert, and our new card is set up and formatted exactly the same as our first card. And then this is you can just keep going. So click down to the next page, under the Home tab, paste, make another copy of our cards, highlight, C, and C, click on the picture again, under Picture Tools, change picture, and change it to our C. And then you can just keep going until you get to the end of the alphabet. And you can still, some of your card pictures might be different sizes, so you can still play around with the sizes on the individual cards. A couple things to keep in mind. Make sure that you have all capitals and lower cases on all your cards, because like I said, sometimes Microsoft Word likes to change that. And if you have a blank card, like I do here at the end, all you do is put your cursor at the end of your last letter, hit delete on your keyboard once, and that'll get rid of it for you. So periodically come up to the corner, hit save to make sure that you have everything saved, and just keep going until you get to the end.